Hello, my name is Jerry from Calgary, Alberta, and today I'm going to be looking at the new DEWALT cordless miter saw. I got this saw at Canadian Tire, and what initially drew me to it was, number one, it's cordless. Number two, it's extremely lightweight and portable. You could take it anywhere and use it anywhere. I was a little apprehensive when I first started researching the saw in that it's battery powered and will it have enough cutting power to get through different types of woods. After I got this saw and started using it, I used it on a variety of different woods, and I can say that the 20-volt lithium-ion battery pleasantly surprised me. I've had absolutely no problem in cutting through wood. I'll just do a little demonstration with a 2x4 here. Absolutely no problem in cutting it. In terms of the saw, it's DEWALT, made with normal DEWALT quality. All the controls, it's a single bevel miter. All the controls are very easy to use, very slick. In terms of battery life, I'm still going on the initial charge when I got the saw originally. I've already did the moldings in my basement and played around with it a lot, and I haven't had to recharge it yet, so I have a feeling this saw, if you used it all day, all the time, a single charge would last you all day. All in all, I would highly recommend this saw to my friends and family, and it's great for do-it-yourself or even a contractor. Highly recommended saw.